think the new showroom here is fantastic. It's absolutely brilliant. You know, it's light, it's bright, it's spacious, it's double height as well, so you get to build some amazing kind of curtain wall double height systems so that any consumer can see the potential of all the products. And it's all nicely laid out. You can see everything, nice clean lines and beautifully designed. And there's such a big range as well. I think that's what's great about it. You see so many diverse products that do lots of different things, which obviously gives any consumer lots of options.
We brought out lots of new styles, lots of new options and features, including like your black indents on the handles, wood grain finishes. On top of that, we brought out what we believe will be our new core products and our new generation of bifolding and sliding doors. So we brought out two new bifolding doors, the modified XP View and the XP88, which is the slimmest bifold anywhere in the marketplace.
There's nothing better than coming to a showroom. It's as simple as that. I've just been here today, been hanging out with all the team, and before I know it, I've just ordered some windows. So being in the showroom gives you the chance of making the right decisions quickly and physically seeing the product to help you make that decision.
This is where the market is. It's these thin profiles, a lot of glass, super efficient glass, and just a very modern approach to windows and doors. It is essential in the house.
Glass has come a long way. You've got better glass, you've got better sight lines, easy to use. Bigger doors, got 1500 now, a bifold. It used to be a metre, I think 1200, now it's 1500. So we just keep going forward, try and keep one step ahead of everybody else.
Now I'm really taken with these huge sliding door panels with minimalist frames. I mean, the frame's like worth 34 apparently, but now they're like down to 25. So the less frame and more glass is what everyone wants. And now I want it as well.
I'd always recommend a customer comes down, visits one of the showroom, have a tea or coffee, have a walk around. Hopefully you'll leave with a few ideas.
So the Weybridge Showroom was all designed internally, so I've got to give credit to Stephen Bromberg Snr, my father. It's all pretty much from his brainchild. The project management and all the construction was done in-house as well. So when you come here and you see how it's finished, that's the type of quality finish that you can expect in your own home, and that's what sets us apart really.
The objective today is a celebration. Ultimately, it's a celebration of the company, it's a celebration of our new showroom. Yes, we'd love customers to come in, of course, and it's got that sort of true family feel and friendly feel that Express is synonymous with.
I think the nice thing about Express is even though we started in 2007 as a father-son team, and now we've grown nationwide to more than 300 people, we've still managed to retain that family feel. So whether you're going into Glasgow, Romford, Weybridge or Leeds, you're always going to get the same experience. Everyone takes the same pride in the work. Our surveyors and fitting teams all take the same pride in what they're doing. We're all singing very much from the same hymn sheet, and we like to think that that comes across in the aftercare that all our customers receive for 10 years after their installation also.